Welcome back, folks. In this episode, we're going to draw terraspin from Ben 10 Ultimate Alien. You see, when Ben first got terraspin's DNA, he got it from a rampaging alien called Galapagos. He first appeared in the Ben 10 Ultimate Alien episode, Escape from Agrigor. And, well, the escape was a success. But basically, it wasn't enough. In order to return home, he needed the help and assistance of Ben Tennyson. After the story was over, he obtained terraspin's DNA. Well, Ben obtained it for the Ultimatrix. And, well, after that was done, terraspin became an excellent ally to Ben's Ultimatrix arsenal, the Ultimate Alien arsenal. Anyways, to draw terraspin, you must draw the mouth. You must draw the face. There we go. Anyways, Galapagos, his kind, along with terraspin, their kind is peaceful, and they have the ability to create windstorms and to blow away enemies. And most of all, they also have the ability to hover above ground. It's a really awesome feature. Okay. Then, drawing terraspin is quite easy. He's one of my favorite top 10 aliens. Now let's draw the Ultimatrix mark on his chest. He kind of looks like a Scutosaurus. One of my favorites. Alexa, what is a Scutosaurus?
According to Wikipedia, Scutosaurus is an extinct genus of parasaur parareptiles. Its genus name refers to large plates of armor scattered across its body. It was a large anapsid reptile that, unlike most reptiles, held its legs underneath its body to support its great weight.
Okay, that takes care of him. Alexa, play my recently played songs.
Here are your recently played songs from Amazon Music.
Alexa, next song. Oh yeah, I like this song. It's really peaceful. There we go. Now we just draw his huge, well actually they're not huge, but we draw his flippers. Alexa, stop. Okay, next up, draw the other flipper here. Now we just draw the legs here. Alexa, play Song to You.
Here's Song to You by Curly Band on Amazon Music.
Come on. Alexa, play Song to You by Victoria's Cast. Alexa, play Song to You by Victoria's Cast.
Song to You by Victoria's Cast, featuring Leon Thomas, 3, Victoria Justice on Amazon Music.
Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, oh, yeah. I don't wear designer clothes. I don't go to the finest schools.
There we go.
But I know I ain't no fool, baby. I'm in not be a star.
Now we just draw the other flipper.
Driving the sickest car, but I know I can make you happy, baby. I don't know what you've been used to. Never been with a girl like you, but I can give you a love that's true to your heart, not material things. I'll give you my song, these words to you, sing you what I feel. My soul is true. I don't have the world, can give it to you, girl, but all that I can do, all that I can do is give a song to you.
There we go.
Yeah, I know you are blessed, but there's something you're missing, yeah, your own melody. Oh, baby.
And there we go.
Eyes are strong.
That's how you draw a terraspin.
You should know
Anyways,
what you are to me.
Alexa, what is a loggerhead?
The loggerhead sea turtle is a species of oceanic turtle distributed throughout the world. It is a marine reptile belonging to the family Cheloniidae. The average loggerhead measures around 90 centimeters in carapace length when fully grown. The adult loggerhead sea turtle weighs approximately 135 kilograms, with the largest specimens weighing in at more than 450 kilograms.
All that I can do.
Alexa, what is protostega?
Protostellar is an adjective usually defined as of or pertaining to a protostar.
Alexa, what is protostega?
Protostellar is an adjective
Alexa,
usually defined as
what is protostega?
Protostellar is an adjective
Alexa,
usually
stop.
defined.
Anyways, resume playing. Anyways, protostega is a great-grandfather of modern-day sea turtles and one of my favorite sea animals, which is why one of the reasons why I decided to draw terraspin in the first place. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe, and I'll show you guys what awesome character I'll show you guys next. And till next time, I'll see you soon. This one's for you, Galapagos, and for all the sea turtles out there. Stegosaurus, see you later.